In today's video, we are going to show you how to unlock all episodes on Pocket FM. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open the Pocket FM app on your mobile phone. Once you are on the home screen, you can browse through the recommended stories or use the search option to find the audiobook or series you are currently listening to. Tap on the story you want to continue. Now, let me tell you this. After opening the story, scroll through the episode list. You will notice that some episodes may be available to play immediately, while others display a lock icon. Tap on one of the locked episodes to see the available unlocking options. Pocket FM may use coins or other in-app access methods depending on the story, your account, and the current offer available to you. If your account already has enough Pocket FM coins, unlocking an episode is straightforward. Simply tap on the unlock option and confirm the purchase. The episode should become available in your account. If you're planning to unlock many episodes, check the required coin balance first so you know how many episodes you can access. Of course, Pocket FM offers legitimate free ways for you to watch all of the episodes. All I have to do is go to the earn free coins, and follow the on-screen instructions. Pocket FM offers non-free episodes can be unlocked either with purchase coins or with coins earned by performing tasks and watching videos. You will notice that you have multiple options here. As you can see, you can earn up to 1,000 coins via the puzzles, games, and more. If you click on it, you'll be forwarded to a new page. You can simply take a survey and earn rewards, which will give you 247 coins. Click on it, what will happen is take the surveys and earn rewards, okay? Another option that you can do is go to the section that says play. All I have to do is play a specific advertised game or app. Let's say you wanted to try the Pizza Perfect, which will give you 1,000 free coins. If you click on it, you just have to play the game and earn all those free coins for you. Now, the available tasks differ from country, device, and account and time. If you do not see an earning option, update Pocket FM, check my store section again, and avoid using VPN or proxy because offers can be region dependent, all right? And basically, that's how unlocking episode works on Pocket FM. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.